Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Azure Bastion for secure VPS access, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft Azure account. Navigate to the Azure Portal dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Create a Resource. Search for Bastion in the search bar. Select Bastion from the list of available resources. Click on the Create button to start the Bastion setup process. You will be prompted to choose a subscription. Select the subscription you wish to use for Bastion. Next, select the resource group where you want to deploy Bastion. If you don't have a resource group, create a new one by clicking Create New. Enter a name for your Bastion host. Choose the region where you want to deploy the Bastion service. Ensure that the region matches your virtual network location. Scroll down to the Virtual Network section. Select the existing virtual network where your virtual private server resides. Make sure that the virtual network is configured with a subnet. You may need to create or adjust a subnet named Azure Bastion Subnet. Set the subnet's address space. Configure the public IP by selecting Create New or choose an existing public IP. If you create a new public IP, give it a meaningful name. Choose the pricing tier according to your needs. Once all configurations are complete, review your settings. Click on the Create button to initiate the Bastion deployment. Wait for the deployment to finish, which may take a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, navigate back to the virtual machine you wish to access. Click on the virtual machine to open its details page. In the menu, look for the Connect option. Instead of selecting RDP or SSH, choose Bastion. Ensure that your virtual machine is in the same virtual network as your Bastion. Enter the username and password for your virtual machine. Click on the Connect button to establish a secure connection. You will now have remote access to your VPS through Microsoft Azure Bastion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.